Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I think we all like to have that go-to pan that we can reach for everyday casual cooking. For me lately, it's definitely been this blue diamond nonstick pan. I have it in the 8-inch size, and I think that this is just perfect for cooking up individual meals or side dishes. Everything about this pan is great quality. The handle on it is attached really securely, and the nonstick surface is truly nonstick. I love that heating it does not tend to make it warp. To me, this is a great indicator of a pan that I'm going to have around for a while. Because nothing really sticks to its cooking surface, I don't have to use nearly as much oil or butter when I'm cooking. Any food that I cook on this pan slides around and moves with ease. Since nothing sticks to it, cleaning it is an absolute snap. Everything comes off of it and it's totally clean within a matter of seconds. I also love that it has that little notch at the end of the handle, and believe it or not all pans have this. This is a feature that's really important to me since I choose to hang the majority of my pots and pans on a pot hanging rack on our wall. This blue diamond nonstick pan is definitely one of the best nonstick pans that I've tried. And that's my point of view.